Hey, friend, welcome back to another episode of Life by Design. I'm your host, Kim Ward, and today, we're going there. Because in case no one has told you yet, 2026 is not too late to start affiliate marketing. In fact, it might be the first year where the playing field is literally leveled for everyday entrepreneurs, the moms building businesses between basketball games, me, the women working full-time jobs, right? But dreaming of flexible income, or the families just craving more breathing room, all of it. So today we're going to break down why right now this specific moment is a massive opportunity for affiliate marketers. Even if you're brand new, even if your following is tiny, and even if you feel like you're late to the party. So stick with me to the end, because I'm going to invite you to a place where affiliate marketers are actually getting results without the chaos, without the burnout, or without trying to outpost the algorithm. Hey there, beautiful human. Welcome to Life by Design, the show where strategy meets sanity and family-focused entrepreneurs learn how to build profit without burning out. I'm your host, Kim Ward, digital marketing strategist, coffee enthusiast, and proud Pinterest nerd, here to help you grow your income, your impact, and maybe even your peace of mind. If you're ready to trade overwhelm for clarity, hustle for harmony, and start creating a business that actually fits your life instead of the other way around, you're in the right place. Grab your notebook or, hey, your favorite cozy drink. Let's dive into today's episode, because around here, we believe success shouldn't cost you your sanity or your Saturday. It's called the Pin to Profit Network. We'll talk about that soon, but let's really create the stage here for 2026, because the internet just shifted and you benefit the most. I'm so serious today. If you've been in the online space even for a little bit, you've probably felt it, right? Something's changed. Suddenly your feed looks different. Content that used to perform doesn't anymore. People are typing more, they're searching more, they're asking very specific questions. And that is because we've officially entered into what's known as the search era. So for years, social media was about entertainment and connection, but now it's about solutions. People are not scrolling for noise, they're searching for answers. I want you to think about this. When someone types how to make money from home, or best beginner affiliate marketing programs, they're not bored. They're ready. They have intent. And intent is the most powerful currency online. The one shift that puts you, the everyday real human, real life entrepreneur, at a massive advantage over influencers with giant followings, right? Ready for this? Lean in, because I'm going to drop some truth bombs here. Because the algorithms, they're no longer asking, hey, who's the loudest? It's asking, who has the answer? And this, my friend, is where affiliate marketing becomes a golden opportunity. Let me be very, very real with you. Most entrepreneurs are tired of posting consistently, or constantly, I should say. Tired of chasing engagement, right? Tired of launching something every month just to keep up. But affiliate marketing is a different story. You can sell offers that you didn't have to create. You can make commission without fulfilling, without shipping, without billing, without contracting. You can build passive income assets that work long after you log off. You can start with almost no risk and no overhead. And then you learn as you earn. And that's my favorite part. That's how I got started 10 years ago. It was a big catchphrase, learn as you earn, or earn as you learn. And I'm like, well, let's do it. And it worked. I was learning. And what I was told and what I learned back then is still relevant today. You just have to be one step ahead of the person who needs you. And when you can be very vulnerable, transparent, and say, I'm going through this. Here's my results. Here's my struggles, right? Not just the wins, not just the highlights, but here's the struggles. They're going to say, wow, if she can do it, so can I. And then when we layer in Pinterest, a search engine with a long lifespan. It's basically compounded interest for your content. Your pins last for years. They keep sending traffic. They keep sending clicks, and those clicks lead to commission. Affiliate marketing plus Pinterest is passive income potential without sacrificing your sanity. But Kim, everyone is doing this. Nope, wrong. Let's talk about that myth that stops so many people. It's saturated. No, it's not. What's saturated is the old way. Posting 27 times a day, begging the algorithm to notice you, trying to sell products in a feed that wasn't built for selling. But search is never saturated because humans always keep searching. I'm so excited for this shift. I mean, Meta just announced this early December, late November of 2025. And I was like, boo, this is what we've been doing all along for years on Pinterest. And every time, if you've been in one of my Pinterest trainings or a 3-day challenge or some webinar or something that I've hosted, what do I say? I say, as long as this earth is in rotation and there's humans on it, there's always going to be a need for what you have. And that's what keeps us winning on Pinterest because of what I just said. Humans always keep searching. And people, they don't go search for influencers. They search for solutions. Like, how do I fix, fill in the blank, this problem? How do I make this easier? How do I save time? How do I make more money for my family? And that's where you come in. So before I wrap up, I want to extend an invitation, not a pitch. If you've been listening and thinking, wow, I really do want to start, but I don't want to do it alone. Or you're thinking, I want systems, I want support, and I want a simple way to grow without the chaos. Then you need to be inside of my Pin to Profit network on the Skool community. This is not another noisy social media group. As a matter of fact, I closed all of my Facebook groups and I merged anyone wanting to come into this network on Skool because it's a calm, strategic, supportive community for affiliate marketers who want clarity, who want to learn search-based strategies, who want Pinterest guidance. You want that peaceful, profitable plan for 2026 or step-by-step training? Or how about a community that actually answers your questions? Because inside, that's exactly what you're getting. That roadmap for creating passive income with affiliate marketing without being glued to your phone, without being overwhelmed or even feeling behind. And if you want growth, if you want peace, if you want profit, this is the room for you. So here's the truth. You're not late. You're not behind. You're not even missing anything. 2026 might be the first time in years where everyday people have a real advantage online. And this is my 11th year as an affiliate marketer. And I can say this with utmost confidence. And affiliate marketing paired with Pinterest, it's the right strategy. It's simple, it's smart, sustainable. It's a great way to create income that supports your life, not consume it. I know you feel that. And if that speaks to your soul today, come and join us inside of the Pin to Profit Network. The link to that group will be in the show notes. All right, friend? So go out there and keep designing a life that you absolutely love. I'll see you in the next episode.